Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the exact problem and preparing the file. First, inspect the file extension and container. Make sure it's one YouTube accepts, like MP4. Then check duration and size because long, huge files often fail upload. Once done, jot down the exact YouTube error text. That guides your next move. Make sure you have a copy of the original and open a quick media info tool so you can see codecs and bitrates before proceeding. Now you transcode to a compliant format so YouTube accepts the file. If the container is wrong, remux to MP4. If codecs are the issue, re-encode video to H.264 and audio to AACLC. Use a preset for 1080p or your target resolution and set a moderate bitrate so encoding finishes reliably. Once the encode completes, verify duration and playability locally. If errors persist, try alternate presets. Finally, upload and handle last-mile issues. Start by uploading the fixed file. If the browser stalls, clear cache or use another browser, or try the YouTube desktop uploader. If the upload aborts for size reasons, split into smaller clips and rejoin via YouTube editor or playlists. Make sure to test a short exported sample first so you don't waste time. If nothing works, collect the error message, a short sample file, and reach out to YouTube support. That's the fastest way to resolve stubborn format problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.